What microwave should I buy? My microwave broke and was wondering what to buy to replace it. I heard someone say to get the Panasonic SN966S. But they had the MBES and I. What the difference is? Also, does anyone know how to take the front grill off, or does I need to take out the entire microwave, oven, and warming drawer set? Question from user Desperate Path 570 at Appliances at Reddit. Answer. When it comes to buying a new microwave, there are several factors to consider, such as size, power, features, and price. Here are some things to keep in mind. Size. Microwaves come in various sizes, from small countertop models to larger ones that can be built into cabinets. Consider the amount of space you have available and how much you typically cook in your microwave. Power. Microwave power is measured in watts, with most models ranging from 600 to 1,200 watts. Higher wattage microwaves cook food faster, but they also tend to be more expensive. Features. Microwaves come with a range of features, from basic models with simple controls to more advanced models with convection cooking, grill functions, and even smart features. Consider which features are important to you and your cooking needs. Price. Microwaves vary in price, with basic models starting at around $50 and high-end models costing several $100s. Consider your budget and what features you are willing to pay for. Some popular microwave brands include Panasonic, Samsung, LG, and GE. It's a good idea to read reviews and compare models before making a purchase.